Everyone knows a good goalkeeper can change a football match, and with the World Cup happening, there's no better time to try out some goalkeeper life hacks. Let's do it.
There are many different methods people use to make it easier for a keeper to catch the ball, but we want to find out which one actually does the trick and makes it stick.
So to help us out with this challenge, we're going to be using the ball launcher, which can take free kicks even more consistently than Lionel Messi. First up, we've got water, and this one is the cheapest, the most natural, and the favorite of most goalkeepers around the world.
He makes the save, but he can't hold on.
Next up, we've got glove glue, and this stuff is actually designed to give keepers better grip on their gloves.
He makes the save, but it doesn't stick.
I don't know if it works though.
Finally, we have petroleum jelly. After millions of seconds of research, I've managed to whittle it down to this one substance. But will I crack the code and unveil a secret that will help goalkeepers for generations to come? There's only one way to find out.
That's the one! Top class save, and he keeps it in his mitts!
Well, Sean, we tried out a lot of sticky substances. Which one did you think was the best?
Vaseline is definitely the best.
What do you think of water?
It's okay. It's like the basic one.
And glove glue?
Not for me.
Nice.